We're just rambling around here on the beautiful coast of Oregon and excited about something here. Christmas comes early.
So we're here today to introduce you to the last pair of jack pads you're ever going to need. We have been lucky enough to be given SnapPads, and we're able to show you how these easily get put on and all the benefits of having them.
And I'm excited to get this unboxed and onto the rig. And look at this, the world's only permanent jack pad, and it's all ours. And then also, right here, the instructions are on the box too.
Look how easy they are. These are made out of recycled material and made in the USA.
So let's get this out of the box and onto the rig here. The fine folks there at SnapPads started in 2015, right out of the garage. So it's a great success story. Like Jodi said, made from recycled materials, from the good old USA. Christmas indeed, look at this. Here's the product right here.
Go onto the website and you can find out what size you need. It has it listed there on the website. Also, put in Ramblin if you want a 10% discount. Ramblin, R-A-M-B-L-I-N, and you'll get a 10% discount. SnapPads offer you greater stability, protect your landing gear, and SnapPads protect the ground that you are on.
So now that we got them all out of the box, let's get them on the rig.
All right, so SnapPads are only supposed to take 3 to 6 minutes to put them on. Now, I don't know if that's true for all of us. Some of us might take more time.
SnapPads recommend put a little bead of soap around the inside here to help lube it up. Might be a little overkill.
Another added benefit, this may be the last time that he has to crawl on his knees and put something underneath this rig.
Well, that was easier than what I thought. I'm kind of embarrassed now thinking it was going to be a lot more to it, but, well, I'm embarrassed thinking that there was a lot more to it. But
3 minutes. The longest thing was putting the soap around it.
yeah, it's so easy, I could do it.
Wait,
well.
It's so easy, I'm going to do the next one.
Yeah, you're doing the next 3 now.
So that was simple. That was easy.
Yeah, that was a lot easier than what I thought it was going to be. We actually looked at research videos. How are we going to put these on? It takes more time to set up a camera and film it than it actually does putting the SnapPads on. It literally is a snap, and no tools. No tools needed at all.
Just some soap.
Yeah, that's the best kind of mod I like.
Thank you, SnapPads, for entrusting us with your product. We appreciate it. We are going to be happy with this product. We know for a long time they stay on, they're not going to fall off, and we will do a follow-up to let you know how much we appreciate them. But thank you, SnapPads, for trusting us with your product. And once again, 10% off if you put in Ramblin when you go to purchase this product.